right, guys, here we go. We are about to set sail on the legendary Voyage. Woo! Here in the Thanksgiving section of Holiday World. That's right. This roller coaster is themed to Thanksgiving. Woo!
And it's big.
This is one of the largest wooden roller coasters in the world. And it is right here in Santa Claus, Indiana at Holiday World. This is an intense, crazy, awesome ride. All right, we have reached the flags. That means we are at the top of the lift hill of the Voyage here at Holiday World.
Okay.
Get ready for it. Look at that view, I love it. Oh my God, here we go. Wow, holy crapola. Oh my God. Wow, this ride is running fast. Oh, there's airtime. Oh my God. Oh, wow. Woo! All right, guys, get ready for it. Here it comes. Are you ready? 90 degrees. Woo! And once again, 90 degrees. Woo! Oh my God. Here we go. Catch your breath, catch your breath, catch your breath. Get ready. Here we go. Whee! Yay! Whee! Oh man! It keeps going and going. And ready one more time. 90 degrees. Whee! Woo! Oh, I'll do the same. It just never ends. Woo! Whee! Oh, wow. There is so much new track on here too. Woo!
Oh boy.
We have made it.
That was quite the voyage.
That was an intense voyage, and it was running amazing. This ride is incredible. How many bugs did you eat?
3.
I think I ate like 40.
Thunderbird's clear for launch.
All right, guys, here we go. We're on Thunderbird at Holiday World,
Things are happening.
and we are about to launch. Oh man,
Nervous.
oh, here we go. You ready for it, everybody? Oh yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo! Whee! Oh, we're flying! Oh, loop-de-loop! Oh man! Hooray! Oh wow! Oh man! Hello, Voyage! Goodbye, Voyage! Ready? Twisty bits! Woo! Oh man! Here we go! Ready?
Through the shed.
Into the barn! No hands up! Out of the barn! And slowly we roll! Woo! Oh man! How was your flight?
That was great.
Oh, that was fantastic. All right, guys, here we are. Left side of Thunderbird, which is similar but different to the right side of Thunderbird. All right, here we go, guys. Oh my God, we are launching! Whee! Oh, I love it. Oh man. Oh! Whee! Oh! Oh! We're left side, right side. I think they're both fun.
Yeah, left side had a lot of like foot and hand travel.
I felt like that too. Left side, you definitely felt like you were closer to the earth.
Please push down and pull up on your shoulder harness.
Clear for flight. Yay! All right, we are flying on the Raven.
Oh yeah.
We will be soon. You know, this ride's like 3 decades old.
Don't say that.
That makes us feel really old.
This is a beautiful new ride.
I was here for opening year for this ride.
Very old.
Oh man, here we go. Oh, I feel like this ride always has that like classic wooden coaster smell to it, right?
It's like the quintessential sentimental wooden roller coaster.
Grease and wood and trees.
And flags up at the top.
Yay!
Oh boy.
All right, here we go, guys.
Oh yeah.
All right, I'm gonna put my hand
I
up.
don't know if I'm going to.
You're gonna hang on.
Oh,
Here we
bring it
go
up.
in the tunnel! Oh, man. Oh, I love it. Here we go. Lake Rudolph, everybody. Yay! Whee! Oh, man, here we go. Oh. And into the trees. It's like, what, 9 o'clock in the morning? How'd they do back there? Oh, yay! Oh, we love the Raven. All right, guys, so here we are. We're riding some good gravy here at Holiday World. You can see the train here is themed to Gravy Boat. We've got gravy spilling over the top of it. How you doing over there? You guys ready to get some gravy? Yay! Oh, here we go. We are going backwards and now forward. Hooray! Good gravy! Oh, we're going through the gravy can. Hooray! Whee! Oh, man, stuffing mix. Oh, ready? Up the spike. And we're going to go backwards with gravy. Yay! Gravy's always better when you're going backwards. Hello, stuffing mix. Hooray! Oh, man. Oh, there was a big rolling pin. Oh, I love going through the can. Oh, man. Whee! Oh. And then, of course, when you're done, you have to say, gee willikers, that's some good gravy. Okay, everybody ready? Gee willikers, that's some good gravy. We did it. Yay! All right, the sound of that bell means we're on the Legend. Yay! All right, so this roller coaster is in the Halloween themed section of Holiday World, themed to the Legend of Sleepy Hollow. We're technically, are we the Headless Horseman? I think we are the Headless Horseman. And we are chasing, again, we're chasing stuff.
Always.
I don't know if we're being chased or they're chasing us. Or no, if we're chasing them or they're, I'm just gonna stop talking because we're now at the top of the lift hill.
Get ready.
I love all the purple and pink flags.
Oh, I hear it. This means we're on our way.
Here we go.
Oh boy.
Legend of Sleepy Hollow.
Oh dear.
Oh man.
Oh, I'm holding on.
Here we go. Wow.
Are we ready?
We're ready.
Let me hear you howl.
Woo! Here we go. Oh, we're howling. How's it going, everybody? All right, here we go. Oh, we're howling. Oh, man. Whee. Oh, thank you, Howler Dog.
How awesome was that ride, everybody?
Yay!
Here we go.
One more time. All right. Here we go. We are howling. Hey! Whee! Oh, man. Hooray! Woo! Yay! How was the howler, everyone? Woo! All right, here we go. Yay! All right. Oh yeah, we're chasing. Yay! Hooray! Oh! Oh! It is cold. It is very cold. Oh wow! It is cold. Oh, we're going to launch up the hill. Woo! Oh wow, that was very wet. Woo! Oh my God! Oh, it is wet. It is cold. We're locked in. We won. We won. We won. Oh man, this is gonna be fun. It's gonna be good. We're gonna get the most airtime on any water slide. Oh crap! I'm already out of my seat. And we're on crap. Oh my God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh crap! I love it! Oh man! Oh, this ride is so much fun! Oh my God! Oh, wow! Whee! Oh. I think this might be the best water coaster ever built. I think so too. Oh man! Oh crap! Whee! Oh! Awesome! Stop it! Stop it! All right, this is happening. Oh man, here we go. Oh crap! And I'm backwards. Why do I always end up backwards? Oh crap! Oh, I have no idea what's happening. We're launching uphill. I am totally backwards. Oh my God! Oh, that was wet. Why did you tell me this was a water ride? Oh man! Oh yes! I am no longer backwards. Whee! I am backwards yet again. Oh crap! Oh, here we go! Oh, I gotta get on that drop. Whee! Why are we spinning and launching? Oh, wow! Whee! Oh my God! Why am I always backwards? Oh my God! Oh,